Alright, hello. I'm Daniel Morgan. I'm doing port forwarding on my research project, and this is
Michael Carvalho.
how you doing, Mike?
I'm
Let's
doing
see.
great.
Have you ever done this in the past? The port forwarding?
No.
Have you ever touched a router or any of the?
I have touched a router, and it touched me too.
You ever configured one?
No.
Okay. Let's see. What do you do for a living?
Labor, I guess.
Never. Okay. Let's see. While you're going through the process of this, kind of like speak your mind. If you have any problems or questions or concerns, let me know. Pretty much you're going to be doing this by yourself. If you have any issues, I'm right here and I can run you through it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, pretty much. So when you speak out loud, it lets me know where I've done wrong or how I can communicate better with technical skills.
Alright.
And as of right now, we're just doing this desktop. You're not going to see anything until afterwards. Not you, the people who are viewing, but I'll post up the instructions later.
Alright.
But yeah, go ahead. I think you can start with just like step one. You could probably skip that.
Should I be doing this as I go?
Yeah, as you go. Try to actually do it. You don't actually necessarily have to forward and port. Yeah, you have to scroll down a little bit. Yeah, there is step one. If you need a pencil and paper, I can give you one.
Alright.
I think I forgot to mention, but this will be for the public. So some people will be watching this.
Gotcha.
So if you're not okay with this, we can stop it.
Now we're good.
Okay. It's mainly used for research, so only a select few people are going to actually see it.
Yeah. Alright, so for this step, just any URL. Oh, specifically this URL?
Mm-hmm. In step two, it describes like where you can get that number.
Alright.
It's probably where you use pencil and paper if you need one.
Gotcha. Okay, so I just type that number into the web browser.
Okay, here you go. Here's your web browser.
Right.
Do it. Anything that you need to display it on there.
Gotcha. Alright, let me just write down gateway, I suppose.
I guess for this you don't actually need your IPv4 because we're not going to be port forwarding really unless you have a laptop or a computer that you're going to be actually using this for. but you don't necessarily need to do it for this case.
Gotcha. Okay, so we got
You don't have the number pad. I guess that wasn't working.
there we go. Okay. I feel like I'm making progress.
Your router's the default password is admin password. So.
All right.
And this is the main issue on most of this stuff is every router is different. So I kind of gave you a few terms of what to look for.
Gotcha. Forwarding.
Yeah, this is just my router and what that actually looks like.
So it's all a little bit different.
They're always different, and
so it would be internet port then, ish.
No, that's just the information on your port, though. That's not actually port forwarding.
Alright, yeah, might not even be under advanced then.
Yeah, it'd definitely be under advanced. Would be something like security, firewall, maybe even more advanced tabs. Yeah, so it's not.
No.
It's not under there.
Setup maybe. Nope.
Yeah, router upgrades, just upgrading your firmware.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, yours looks a little bit different. For this one, you basically do the edit service, and then you type in the service name. So like whatever your the application that you're doing, and then let's see. Yeah, go ahead and click on edit service. You see what that does. Oh no, yeah, edit service.
Oh, edit service. Gotcha.
Yeah, what does that do?
Failure.
Oh, add custom service. My bad. Yeah, that's right, because you don't have one added to it. So here, like you'd normally just type in whatever game you're playing. Usually, most of this is used for gaming because most of the protocols that are normally they're just defaulted into computers. So most of the time, it's gaming related. So you just type I don't know Gears of War, and then you don't necessarily have to do this, but you'd have to look up your the starting point of the port and then the ending ports. It could be one port or several ports, depending on the game. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how you do it on your router.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what else we got.
No.
While going through this, do you have any like concerns or any difficulties like finding stuff?
No. It seems pretty simple once you just do it once, even.
Right. You can definitely see like the problems with like finding just the tab for it because
yeah, absolutely. So many options, and they all kind of sound similar when you're not skilled in it.
Trying to teach people in this is a little bit. You have to look up terms of what to look for. But let's see. What else we talk about? Do you feel, being that you tried it once, do you feel more comfortable doing it?
Yeah.
If you ever had to do this in the future?
No. Yeah. Yeah, I can do it for sure. Okay. Probably have to like scroll through depending on what I need, but yeah.
Thank you, Mike, and hopefully this was used.
Yeah, thank you.
And I got a survey at the end of this you can fill out, and I can post this later. But cool. I can't stop recording this. I'm doing part 2 of the port forwarding research project. This is
Martin.
he's my roommate. What do you do, career-wise, or?
Yeah, I'm actually in a teacher training program in Germany, and yeah, my subjects will be philosophy and English, and that's what I do.
Okay. Have you ever messed with routers or configured one?
No, never.
No. Alright. Is it okay for me to record you and use this for public? Not that many people are actually going to see this because this is going to be on my Gmail, so but only a few select people are going to be seeing this. But regardless, it will be open for the public. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. The objective is basically to, well, specifically to make you port forward, but overall make you more comfortable with this technology that's everyone uses every day.
Okay.
Let's see. And as you're going through it, kind of like speak your mind if you have any concerns or questions. It helps me rely on my technical communication skills and how I can relay information to people who aren't used to this type of information. So, also do everything on this screen. So, have at it.
Okay, well. Okay.
There you go.
Thanks.
That's something. You don't necessarily need a port forward unless you have a game in mind that you want to open up a port. We can actually do that.
Forget
Being that you actually play on the laptop quite a bit. So.
There it is. Okay, thanks.
Although if you actually wanted to open a port, I would have to look at your IP address on your laptop. Although yours is probably one above mine.
And my IP4 address. Okay.
And for the later pictures, I think I'm going to cover up the pictures because that's actually using our routers for the pictures, so it'd be kind of like cheating for you.
Address.
That's probably 168.
168. Oh, yeah. What's it for today?
Oh, it's an IPv4 that you put in?
Oh, yeah.
Default gateway.
Okay.
Oh, I need to type this in. Look at the picture. It's cheating for you. Yeah. For this special case, I need to do this because I actually set the administrator password.
Okay, so I scroll down.
I'm going to cover up this picture so you can't see it.
Okay.
Oh, no, that was actually one of them. Yeah.
Okay. Even further?
Oh, no, I'm just covering up the picture. But you can read the instructions.
Well,
Oh, you need to go back up. You skip step 4. I think you skipped this part.
I can read from here.
No, the one above it. Step 4.
Okay.
I'm just gonna cover the picture though.
Networking firewall security. I won't look at it.
Yeah.
Maybe here. Okay, port forwarding. Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, this is actually the second router that I messed with. And I actually called it port
Mhm.
forwarding. I've had to deal with routers where it didn't name it port forwarding. It's interesting sometimes. Every router is different, so. And that is just if you actually want to port forward, we would need to know your laptop IP address.
Mm-hmm.
But this is my desktop, and I already have everything port forward that I want, as you can tell.
Okay, that's it. So
Yeah, you have any questions or concerns? Anything that was overly difficult?
no, it was easy to follow, and yeah, the instructions were clear. So
You think that this helped you feel more comfortable in the future to use this technology and maybe configure your own router later if you need to?
yeah, I think so. It gives you guidance, and yeah, doing this step by step, it makes it really easy to follow the instructions, and yeah, to do it. I think it's cool.
All right, thank you, Martin. I think this concludes the end of my research project. But yeah, thank you and have a good day.